Helping my neighbor. Today I helped my neighbor, Mrs. Wilson, in her garden. She is very kind and always shares cookies with me. When I saw her struggling to pull weeds, I offered to help. Together, we worked in her garden, and I learned about different plants. Mrs. Wilson showed me how to take care of flowers and vegetables. I loved feeling the dirt in my hands. As we pulled out weeds, she told me stories about her garden and how she grew tomatoes and sunflowers. I felt proud to help her. After we finished, she rewarded me with delicious cookies. They were chocolate chip, my favorite. Helping Mrs. Wilson made me feel good inside. I learned that being kind and helping others is important. It can create a bond and bring smiles. I can't wait to visit her again and learn more about gardening.